Hi guys, so it's Molly
and Annie, also known as AM Beauty XOX here on YouTube.
and today, well, we had a blizzard yesterday, so we're just going to vlog today because we're going to go out in the snow.
And play!
Snow for 2 days, school for 2 days. It's up to my knees. So now I'm going to do a snow angel.
Oh my god, I went down the wrong way! I'm stuck. Wait, don't go yet.
No, I'm not.
I fell.
Oh my god.
Oh gee.
I went down it backwards.
You didn't mean to though.
Yeah. Oh my god, you went under the snow.
Oh, it's so cold. Yeah, I'm gonna slide down the cliff.
Yeah, I am. That was a good one. She failed.
There's so much snow on my face. I'm scared.
Any final words?
What?
Final words?
I'd just like to thank God.
Okay, go.
Okay, maybe go. What if I missed the jump?
Okay, I'm going down backwards. Oh! I fell.
How you feeling about that, Annie? That was a good run.
Yeah.
So,
On the Olympics. Here we go. Bye. Okay. We're going exploring in the woods, and the snow is like 2 feet deep,
Like, so
and it's almost up to my waist. So
it's up to my thigh.
it's actually, yeah, it's up to my thighs.
But if you look at this, that's like my knee. But when you're walking, it's so like that.
My hands are freezing. Make a snow angel.
But I can't get up.
That sucks.
I'm a gangster.
I'm a straight up G. The gangster life is the life for me.
You're gonna fall.
No, you can go yourself. Molly's gonna
Wait.
attempt getting up out of 2 feet deep snow.
Get up.
She can't. It's not working out for her.
so bye guys. I hope you liked our video.
Thanks so much for watching, and like and subscribe.
I'll see you next Monday.
Bye.